Supplemental Log, Tuesday, December 7, 2010. This is what I'm talking about. How come I don't see a little disclaimer right here that says, go to my website and get a free portable disposable alcohol breath tester? What's up, Congressman Meeks? You know all about this, don't you? I gave you some. Leandra Law, New York State Senator Huntley, New York State Senator Malcolm Smith. I'm giving away $1 million. What's up? I ain't black enough. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? What? I didn't give you campaign contribution? You ain't gonna get none. How's that? How's that? This whole call, advertising for Budweiser. How come my alcohol breath testers are not advertised here? What'd you do to me? You cost my business $5 million. It's alright, it's alright. I'm not mad at you guys that much anymore. Because I'm about to get exactly what I want. A clean bill of health and mental hygiene. For all of you that took Dr. DRICE to be crazy, I'm smarter than you, and my mother's smarter than your mother because I'm smarter than you. What? I don't touch your women no more. You're hookers. I paid my money, I don't want to pay no more. That's it. What you want to do? She got the second. Man, y'all hurt me so freaking bad. I don't want none of you to control me with shit. Nothing. As you can see, there are people that look like you that ain't like you. Excusez-moi, mesdames. Comment nous y est? Allô, chérie. Mademoiselle. Vous pas qu'à répondre, moi? Allô, comment y est? Très bien. What did I tell you? Bang! That's what you get. You need an actual bang, double dose of that there, brother. Told you. We are not alike. What you did to me in your little Willie Lynch indoctrination program in the Jim Crow Good Nigger Academy, I can't pass that course. I keep failing. I'm belligerent. I'm tyrannical. I will rebel. I will freaking revolt. And ain't nothing you can do about it. You're frozen in time, frozen in space. Bang! Gotta save some juice for the VA video with the paper in my hand. Ta-da! You're so fucking stupid. How can so many smart people be making them so freaking stupid by just one guy? One little guy? Have a nice day. Bye-bye. We're here now.